back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how we get ready for ballet. In other words, ballet routine. Ballet routine. So, let's get started. Okay, so I'm here with my sister. Sister, it's time to get ready for bed, and then it's morning time. We gotta get ready for ballet. Come on, let's go. I got some cake downstairs with a milkshake. Let's have cake and milkshake.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the bar, and damn right, it's better than yours.
Damn right, it's better than yours. No, sit down, sit down. I'm gonna set you your piece of cake, and I'm gonna give you coffee because coffee makes. Oh, too bad. Okay, I'm gonna have my slice, and then I'm gonna put the thing away. Ah, damn. Drinking the milkshake. I'm drinking a milkshake. Mate, I'm gonna bring you your milkshake. Okay, let's go brush our teeth. Wash our face and everything.
Okay.
Oh crap. We may have to use the kitchen one because I never added one in the thing.
This is just gross using it in the kitchen. Again. I'm joking. We have to brush our teeth in the sink?
Then
Wait, are you recording?
Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go get ready for. I'm gonna get ready my clothes dressed for ballet, and I'll see you guys then, which is like soon. Okay, so now we're ready. So let's jump in the car. Let's jump in the car. Let's just go jump in the car. And guys, it's a very long way, so we'll see you then. Hey guys, we're here in a gymnastics stadium. We just drove ourselves. Anyways. Okay, we're gonna get ready right now because we need to get ready. Our coach is waiting for us. Anyways, I've got my face.
My skin color matches my shirt.
Yeah, it does. Is this a shop? I don't want the shop. I'm not buying this. How do you get shirts? I mean, we're gonna get our shirt because sorry, man. What are you doing in the men's clothes? Get out! She's so always in there because she likes looking at the boys. I'm just gonna change.
Look at me. I look so pretty.
Oh yeah. I'm trying not to laugh. It's really hard though. Okay, now I'm gonna go get ready. Okay, it's time to practice. I love looking at this trophy room. Okay. Let's find our aisle. No one's using this one, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah.
You know the video, the thing I said how I was got locked out of my account today.
Yeah.
Well, it's a prank. I recorded it and pranked you.
Oh my. Oh, you must have. Shimmy, shimmy.
And it was just like I was trying not to laugh, but I said,
I'm trying.
That was so fun. But I didn't do anything to Lola's account, no. I promise. And guess what? I was trying to keep it cool, but then I wanted to tell you now. But should I upload it?
Yeah. anyways, guys, this is how we got ready for gymnastics. And if you want to see another gymnastics video like this, you should definitely comment that down below and I'll do it. Anyways, thank you guys for coming by and watching this video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and bye.